Hey everyone, just wanted to give you a little video walkthrough of our Christmas decorations during the day and then at night. So as always, we have our lights up there on the carport and up on the roof of the porch, which we've changed to red and green for the season. Here we have a snowflake or a snowman. And then of course we have our garden arch that we have all decorated. I have two of the green light up Christmas trees, one there and there. We have our little garden gnome flag. We have 4 alternating red and green floodlights. We have the porch all decorated with some garland, wreaths, and bows, and of course some greenery. We added some snowflakes and bows. We have our light up snowflake wreath for the door. As you come up, we have 2 identical wreaths here that are kind of Grinch style a little bit. They also light up. And our Christmas tree. Now all of this stuff I've made myself, and I also have tutorial videos of it online. Well, let's take a walk on inside. Inside we have our Steelers Christmas tree. We also have our 2 little light up trees with nice little galvanized baskets and ornaments. We've decorated with some bows and wreaths on our curio cabinet. We have our Merry Christmas over here. Just threw in some candle rings on top of the lights just to give it a little festive feel. We have our little gnome on the inside of the door. Our little Charlie Brown Christmas tree with our little Steelers train. Of course, our country themed milk truck with a little gnome. As you walk into the kitchen on the island, we have this nice Christmas tree that one of my friends made for me. It lights up as well with a nice gnome table runner, some garland, pine cone garland, some more little light up gnomes and presents. We have our little gnome fellow over here. We have some festive Christmas curtains, some festive country Christmas rugs, and some cute little Christmas towels with gypsy on them. The whole way across we have our Christmas wreaths that we made in a little country Christmas sign. And then we have our little holly jolly singing elf up there, gnome, and our little elevator gnomes, that's what we call them because they slide up and down. Our table with a tree skirt around it. Our little palm tree, it's all festive and decorated for Christmas as well, with a Santa and his reindeer behind it, more gnomes and a Grinch tree. And then across our barn doors we have some stockings. So we'll do this all in a little bit once it is dark and see everything all lit up. So here you have it. This is our house at night. We have the green and red dancing lights in the carport. We have the dancing lights on the ground. We've got our little Frosty the Snowman juggling presents up there. And then you can see over here, I have a little decoration of greenery. We have the arch that's all lit up. We have our spotlights alternating red and green with our little Christmas tree. And then our garland on our porch, around the windows, and the 2 wreaths that are lit up with the sparkling snowflakes and the snowflake door wreath. And like I said, I did videos of making the wreaths. And now we're gonna head on inside and check out everything inside in the dark and see what it looks like. Of course, you can't forget our little Christmas tree that we made and decorated up to go with all of our wreaths. So come on in. All right, so when you come in, of course you have our Steelers tree all lit up and both of our other trees that are decorated, which I made these galvanized buckets to put in. I made the wreaths that go on our crystal cabinet. We have our Merry Christmas. No lights there, but that's okay. We have lots of lights everywhere. Even the cats got their very own little Christmas tree, and their house has lights on it, which Gypsy absolutely loves. She goes in there all the time now, more so than ever. Our little gnome, his batteries are dead, but he'll get lit up too. I've decorated my candle lantern up here for Christmas. We have our Steelers train and our Charlie Brown tree. Our old farm truck. And on our kitchen island, we have all these little light up gnomies. A little Santa tree. We got a little gnomie up there all lit up. And of course all of the wreaths across the cabinets. Have yourself a Christmas bottle of wine. Merry Christmas sign. More wreaths. Our Christmas curtains. Of course, you can see the snowman on this side as well. And our decoration that I told you that has the twigs with the lights. Come on over here. We have a little bit more. Our elevator gnomes. We got our kitchen table with a tree skirt underneath. The cats think that's a new bed for them. It's super adorable. Got a little gnomie hanging out here with a Grinch tree. And we got our palm tree all decorated with decorations on it. And a Santa and a sleigh. We got our Santa hats and everything else. And my backdrop that lights up that I didn't light up. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.